Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn. There comes a point in life when you stop living to satisfy everyone else's expectations and start building a future that actually belongs to you. People will always have opinions. They'll tell you your goals are too ambitious, your dreams are unrealistic, or that you should be grateful for whatever you're given. But here's the truth. Those opinions don't pay your bills, build your wealth, or create the freedom your family deserves. The most successful people aren't the ones who waited for permission. They're the ones who decided that average was no longer acceptable. What if, instead of worrying about what other people think, you focused on creating a life where your income isn't tied to the number of hours you work? Imagine waking up every morning knowing you're building something that continues to grow month after month, year after year. Imagine helping business owners and homeowners lower one of their largest monthly expenses while creating recurring income for yourself at the same time. That's the opportunity waiting for you at TruPowur. This isn't about chasing the next trend or selling something people don't need. Energy is something every home and every business already uses every single day. You're simply helping customers make smarter financial decisions while creating long-term residual income that can continue paying you long after the initial work has been completed. The people who succeed aren't necessarily the smartest or the most experienced. They're the ones who make a decision, stay consistent, and refuse to let fear or the opinions of others determine the outcome of their lives. Stop asking for approval. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Stop letting doubt write the story of your future. Your future doesn't change because someone believes in you. It changes because you finally believe in yourself. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.